Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Sacred Heart High School. Today we are studying chapter 16, The Universe, part 2. Let us study about the planets in our solar system. Mercury. It is the planet closest to the sun. It is visible in the morning and in the evening if it is away from the sun. A number of depressions, or you can say portholes, which look like volcanic craters, are seen on the surface of Mercury, but they are actually caused because of meteoric fall. Mercury is the fastest moving planet. Venus. It is the second planet in the solar system and it is the brightest planet. It is seen in the sky in the east before the sunrise and in the west after the sunrise. It rotates around itself from east to west and it is the hottest planet. Earth. It is the third planet of the solar system. It is the only planet in the solar system which has life on it. Earth is a magnet and there is a magnetic field around it. This magnetic field helps to divert the harmful rays from the sun towards the polar region of the Earth. Mars. It is the fourth planet in the solar system. The soil on Mars contains iron, hence its color is reddish. Mars is also called as the red planet. The highest and longest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It is so huge that as many as 1397 planets, which are of same size as Earth, can easily get accommodated in it. Even though the planet is so huge, it revolves around itself with great speed. This planet is also called as stormy planet because huge storms occur frequently on it. Saturn. It is the sixth planet of the solar system and second largest planet. It is considered to be a unique planet because of the rings around it. Though its mass is 95 times that of the Earth, its density is very low. If it were dropped into a sea large enough to hold it, it would actually float in it. Uranus. It is the seventh planet in the solar system and it is very far away. Hence, it cannot be seen without a telescope. Its axis is nearly horizontal and that is why it appears as if it is rolling along its own orbit, like a rolling ball. Neptune. It is the eighth planet in the solar system. A season on Neptune lasts for about 41 years. On this planet, winds blow with extremely high speed. Satellite. Satellite is a celestial body that revolves around a planet without independently revolving around the sun. Like planets, satellites rotate around their own axis. The moon is a satellite of the Earth. It does not have an atmosphere. Its period of rotation and revolution are both 27.3 days. All the planets have satellites in varying numbers except for Mercury and Venus. Asteroid. When the solar system was formed, a great number of small-sized bodies could not turn themselves into planets, but they continued to revolve around the sun. These bodies are known as asteroids. A belt of such celestial bodies has formed between the planets Mars and Jupiter. Dwarf planet. Dwarf planet means a small planet. A small-sized body that revolves independently around the sun is called dwarf planet. A celestial body like Pluto can be classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto takes around 248 years to complete one revolution around the sun, whereas it takes around 6.38 days for one rotation. Comet. A comet is a celestial body that revolves around the sun. It is a part of our solar system. It is formed out of ice and dust particles. Comets appear like points when they are far away from the sun, but when they are close to the sun, they become easily visible to us because of the shorter distance and the heat of the sun. Comets are made up of frozen matter and dust particles. When comets come closer to the sun, this frozen matter directly gets converted into gas without first converting into liquid. This is because of the sun's heat. These gases get thrown in a direction away from the sun. As a result, certain comets appear to have a long feathery tail. Due to their long elliptical orbits, their appearance in the sky is very rare. They reappear in the sky after very long periods of time. Comets are classified into two main groups: long period comets and short period comets. Comets that take more than 200 years to complete one revolution around the sun comes in the category of long period comets, whereas comets that take less than 200 years to complete one revolution around the sun comes in the category of short period comets. A meteor. Sometimes we see a falling star or shooting star in the sky. This event is called a meteor fall. Mostly these meteors are rocky pieces which originate from the asteroid belt. These smaller rocky pieces get completely burnt due to friction with air after they enter the Earth's atmosphere, and they get completely disappeared. Sometimes the meteors do not burn completely and fall on the surface of the Earth. These are called meteorites. The Lonar Lake in Maharashtra is believed to have been formed by the impact of such a meteorite. Meteors or meteoric falls occur on other celestial bodies too. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.